Hey folks, it's Greg and Janet, Strange RV Tours. Today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are at the brand new Virgin Hotel and Casino.
Strange RV Tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fix your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
This is their swag shop.
This was the Hard Rock from 1995 to 2020. And now being Virgin, it's got 1,504 rooms. And there's some extra perks along with this new Virgin Hotel. What's that, Greg? What do they have?
Free parking, free Wi-Fi, no resort fees. So most of the things that people hate about Las Vegas, they don't do. So you don't get hit with a big bill at the end of your stay that you didn't know about. Got a Dunkin' Donuts in here. And this place is called Chill Hudson.
No, Hudson's in a lot of airports too.
Okay. Okay, so this
I
is,
believe.
yeah, so this is like a little convenience area. Combination gift shop, drinks, snacks. One of the few negatives that I've heard about this casino so far, or hotel, is that they will not allow you to bring your own food and drinks up into your room. So you can't bring any outside food and drinks in. As long as you purchase it here at the hotel and casino, no problem. But if you come in with a case of beer inside of a cooler, they're probably going to have you open the cooler and then tell you that you can't bring that into the hotel. The Funny Library Coffee Shop here on the right. I do like the decor.
Yeah.
It's different. It's totally different for a casino here in Vegas. Look at that. Okay, when this was the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, there was a large pool area out here. They do have 5 pools that they're going to have here at the New Virgin Hotel and Casino, but this particular pool out here is no longer here. Instead, they put grass in and a giant gazebo over there, and they've made this an event area. So this will be an area where they have concerts and other events. Nobu. Fine dining at its ultimate best. Pizza Forte. I got one here. Oh wow, that's gonna be nice. Five pools.
And there looks like they're putting a whole other restaurant or bar here.
Something, huh? Yeah, it's gonna be an outdoor bar, I bet. Yeah, they'll probably serve bar food. I can't imagine anybody eating a filet mignon out by the pool.
Yeah.
Coming up on their sports book.